Hi guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Elaine, and on my channel, I like to talk about bags from mid-range to vintage luxury. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support and viewership. And today we have another unboxing. So I actually stopped doing unboxings for a while because I had like a string of fails. And in the end, I also thought maybe unboxings aren't as helpful because you're just showing what you got, but you have no real experience with the bag. You can't really tell if it's useful yet. What are the annoyances? What are the positives? And so I kind of took a pause on that, but today this is just sort of a fun unboxing. It's not really a bag that I plan to do any sort of like full in-depth review on. It's just some little things that caught my eye and I thought, let's just do one together. So here we go. Probably right. It is quite a big box. All right, so got one. Wow, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And two. Well, I'll start with the bigger one because you can already pretty much see what's in here. All right, and I don't know if you could tell by the box and the way it's packaged, but again, it's from my favorite Japanese reseller on eBay, Brandier, and here we go. So this is a canvas tote by Hermes, and open it up. It's actually quite large. Came with a dust bag, which I guess it would fit it. Wow, it's actually in pristine condition. And then inside it's hot pink. Does come with its own little pouch that is attached to the bag. And everything looks legit. I just see, right here, there's a little bit of dirtiness here, but honestly, it's not terrible. I bought this because I'm a fan of this design on Hermes plateware, dinnerware, but I'm like, I have a 7-year-old. I have like chipped Crate and Barrel plates. Like there's no way I'm going to be using Hermes plates. And I'm not looking to pre-spend for Birkin Kelly or Constance. So when I saw this on Brandier, I just thought, I would never buy a dinner plate of this, but it makes sense for me to buy, I think, a bag in this pattern. And I've never really seen it before. It's kind of a great sort of like beach bag, even decorative, like for towels and such. So it's a lot bigger than I thought. I mean, if you've seen some of my videos in the past, I've actually made many an error by not really measuring out the bags before I buy them. But this one I did get right around 500 with tariffs. So before tariffs, it was a pretty good deal. Next is an LV. So it is a vintage. Okay, not too bad. Sometimes when it's wrapped in plastic like this, I do worry that it's like moldy, but it's not moldy. It's just old. It's sort of like a men's clutch, and yeah, not bad. It's pocket here and a zipper. And so actually I got this because I really wanted to refab it. Inside, I did do a cleaning and conditioning of a different canvas pochette toiletry kit, and that's where I'm storing my cleaning supplies. Let's go get it. All right. So right here I have my older pochette, and this one's quite a bit smaller, just a little bit. It's a lot thinner, but I cleaned it and I conditioned it, and it was actually a really fun thing. But I was ready for my next project, and I really wanted something with vachetta because I do have a vachetta leather conditioner that came with the kit. So the kit that I got is from Potrero store on Instagram. They kind of specialize in the cleaning and conditioning of LV bags, and they have a line of Saphir products. So here's one. This is a lotion for canvas that I couldn't find on Amazon, so I did have to buy it from Europe. Got shipped with tariffs just last year, late last year sometime. This is the foam cleanser, which I haven't opened yet because I like to use my Jason Mark's foam cleanser instead. And then also came with, this one is for vegetable tan leather. So this is what I would plan to use on the vachetta and just see how it is. It's definitely going to darken it, but it's already darkened, so I figure why not just condition it. It does look pretty dry, so it could use a conditioning. And then I'm not sure if this came with the kit. I don't think this did, but I bought other Saphir items that you can get on Amazon. So this one's for Napa leather. And then this one's a renovator, which I thought was for Napa leather, but it's actually just an all-purpose one. Don't put this on box leather though. I did make a mistake of putting this on my box Kelly, my brown one. It didn't. It was super streaky. Luckily, I had to take it in to Hermes, and they fixed it up. So yeah, this I kind of just use for all general leather, but it does smell quite a bit, so I would be careful about that one. And then everything else in here are just my brushes. So yeah, so I think these three are the things that came in the LV kit. It's kind of fun. I think, you know, coated canvas, low stakes, low pressure. I got this one for under 200. With tariffs, it's probably right around 200, which, you know, not bad. And then maybe I'll use it as a toiletry kit, or we'll see. But I mean, this one's a great one. I really like this one because it fits a lot. It's, I think, a original toiletry kit. So inside is not leather, but this one is actually leather. So anyways, that's it. That's all I got from Brandier. Something low stakes, easy, for fun. So what do you think? Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you watched it all the way through. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.